Oh, okay. Hello. Hello, sis. Hawak kamay. Yeah, I'm doing live. Thank you, sis. Okay, let me see. If I can add as a moderator. Thank you, sis. Hawak kamay. Nag-ano ako, upcoming ito, sis. Kaya, ayan, ginawa ko. Nalit nga ako eh. But anyway, thank you. Thank you sa lahat po. Mamaya ito, silent kamay. Silent live, sis. Hey, I read you. Mag-love shout out. Mega love shout out. Thank you for watching my live. And thank you everyone for watching. How is everyone doing today? Like 5. Thank you. Thank you, I. Thank you for watching. My day off. That's why I do live. I was late today. Eh! Hi, Indeneri! Mega love shout out, Indeneri. Live lang tayo, Day. Sana magpunta ka na dito sa ano, Day. Sa YT. Marami na rin mga friends dito. We have a lot of friends. Mag-silent live and actual live with face on, mic on, and silent live the rest. And 4 hours. This makes sense. Okay lang dito mag-silent live. This is okay to do silent live. Mega love shout out everyone. Good morning, good evening sa lahat. I'm just gonna point this outside, guys. Maganda ang view. Nice view outside. Hold on. Let me watch you guys outside. Thank you, Daineri, for coming to the live. Sure. Okay, I read you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for watching. See, did you see that one, guys? Ang ganda. Oh, it's too nice outside. Thank you, I. Are you doing the live? I just gonna go to my second account, the Ninfa TV2. If you're having a live, I just gonna look. Thank you for coming to the live. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching the live. Mega love shout out everyone. Did you see, guys? Outside is too nice. But I'm just staying home. Tired of going too much outside. It's hot. 90 degrees. Mega love shout out, guys, everyone. Thank you po. Thank you. Okay, I read you. If you're still there, I already watch my Ninfa TV2 to your channel. You're having a live right now. Okay? Thank you, I. Thank you. You're so supportive. We're just gonna support each other, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys for watching the live. Hi, Osha, Kamal Vlogs. Let me see if I already follow you. Did I subscribe with you already? Mega love shout out. Hold on, let me go check. Let me go check Mega Osha. Okay, let me go check in the other in my laptop. Okay, if not, I will subscribe with you. Thank you for coming to the live. Thank you, Osha, for coming to the live. Hi, Oma. Yeah, I know Oma. Okay, let me put your moderator. Okay, I'm not sure about Osha yet if I already subscribed with him or her. Hold on, let me go check in here. Let me go check in here, guys. Hold on. Thank you guys for watching the live. We got shout out. Let me see if I check it out. I'll check it out. Osha. Go to channel. Oh, okay. I'm done. Subscribe with your Osha. Thank you so much. I will make you a moderator. Thanks for coming to my live. You just comment over there, guys. Okay, sis Osha, you're already a moderator to the channel. Thank you, Oma, for coming to the live. I go to your channel, Oma. Hold on. Good morning, good evening. On the way to your channel, Oma, I will, thank you sis for coming. I will, ang ganda ng mga succulent. Okay, ay ang thumbs up 100 sis. Okay, sis Oma, thank you for coming to the live, sis. Ano doon yung isa kong ano sis, yung laptop ko naka-engage sa ano mo yung succulents. And thank you for coming to my live. Okay, thank you for coming to the live, guys. Nagalag shoutout John Ray Cabria. Thank you for watching my live. I'm on the way to your channel, John Ray. Thank you so much. And I'm using the other phone. And while Oma, ginamit ko yung ano ko, Oma. Mag-drop ka ng link, guys. Ginamit ko yung laptop. Yeah, laptop and cellphone. Thank you, John Ray. John Ray, yung ano ko, kasi baka ma-introuble ako nito. Yung sa Ninja ko, pinapanood ko lang sa ano mo, ha? Yung Leonardo Canastra and Ninfa de los Reyes. Sa akin yun, idol, may harang pa. Kasi pagkatapos ni Oma doon sa laptop, doon ko Oma, sis Oma, nandun ka sa laptop, si Idol Junior naman. Ginamit ko yung ano ko, yung isa kong account. Thank you for watching the live. Kung sino yung mga nandyan, ano ko guys, I will engage. Okay, sis Oma, malapit na mahadapos yung ano mo. Ang ganda ng mga succulents. Malapit na matapos. Tapos kukuha ko ng isa pang one more shorts maybe. Yung Nissan, sis Oma. Malayo lang ako sa pinag-livean ko. Pero baka marinig din naman siguro ako, di ba? Okay guys, okay, punta kay Jomar. Mag-ano kayo guys, sino gusto dyan, drop your link. Okay, dito na ako sa video mo. May harang, Idol Jomar, John Ray. I'm Tamsax 156 and 157 yata. Yeah, sa akin yung Leonardo Canastra anin pa. Pinanood ko na ito sa akin. So, dalawa ang nag-engage sa iyo, Idol Jomar. John Ray pala. John Ray Cabria. Nagalak siya. Thank you po sa inyong lahat sa nagtambay. Mamaya ng konti, mag-silent live na ako guys. 4 hours lang ito. Para mayroon makapasok na harang. Ayan. Maganda sa labas. Mainit. Ayan, thank you sa aking asawa. Thank you po, asawa ko. At nagbigay siya ng $3 para makakuha ako sa aking sweldo. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching the live. Sandali guys, mag-ano pa ako dito. Sana ba si Junri? Tapos na ako sa'yo. Malapit na. Ilang minutes ba ito? Oh, 7-8 minutes. Matagal-tagal pa rin. Yung isa malapit na. Thank you everyone for watching the live, guys. Punta muna ako sa studio, guys. Marinig na ba ako, guys? Can you hear me? Buwan muna ako ng ano, guys. Mahaba na ano guys, mahaba na highlights para magkakapera tayo niyan. Tingnan natin.